Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to free up storage space on your iCloud account. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So after owning your very first iPhone for a few months, you'll soon get a message on your screen looking like this. This basically means your iCloud storage is full. Every user with an Apple ID gets 5 GB of storage for free to back up apps and settings on their iPhone, iPad, and iPod. The service also syncs your photo, documents, and email with your Mac and other mobile devices. The idea behind iCloud is to be able to access all your stuff no matter what Apple device you're using. So in order to access your iCloud storage, you need to go into Settings. Then tap on your name at the very top of the settings menu. Now scroll down and tap on iCloud. This will then take you to this screen where it will basically tell you how much iCloud storage you have and how much is being used. By default, everyone gets 5 GB of storage, which is free of charge. Now don't be confused with the iPhone's storage as it looks similar to that. This is all on the cloud, so it's not physical. So the first option below this graph is Manage Storage, which I'll show you later on. But this is where you can manage all your data on iCloud. Just below that, as you can see in the list, these are all the items that are being backed up to the iCloud right now. For example, your photos are being backed up, your mails, contacts, and calendar. But there are some things that are not important, so these can be switched off so it will not take up your iCloud storage space. For example, Safari data, news, stock info, and the home app data. So you can go through the list and switch off apps which you don't want to be backed up by the iCloud. Now let's tap on Manage Storage. This screen will basically tell you what iCloud storage plan you are on and how much each apps are taking up space on your iCloud. If you tap on the first option, which is Change Storage Plan, you can change your storage plan with Apple. You've got different options available depending on your budget. Since new iPhones have 128 GB minimum storage, I would highly recommend get the 200 GB option. Now let me go back and let me explain a few things. Just below that, you can see how much data each app is taking. So for example, my photo app is taking 2 GB of data on my iCloud account. So in order to free up that space, you need to go into iCloud.com on your desktop and delete it from there. Next on the list is backup. If you have multiple Apple devices, then you'll see all your backups in this area. Any devices you no longer own, you can delete the backup of it and get the free space back. There are other apps which you can investigate and delete from the desktop iCloud website. Just a warning, do not go into the app and delete data from the iPhone setting itself. Go to your iCloud desktop website and delete it from there to make some space on it. You're risking your iCloud data and it could be lost forever. And those were the steps to take on how to free up some space on your iCloud storage. My name's Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.